Yeah, man. You see, if it's first time you're watching this channel, do subscribe. You see it on the title. We just have some unfinished business. You know what I mean?
You knock me down to the ground. Sing me underwater, water with the drown. You knock me down to the ground. Put my head down on the water, you thought I would have drowned. But okay though, I'm okay though. I'm okay though, I'm okay though, I'm okay though. All the wrong that you have done, all the wrong that you have done, all the pain that you have caused, all the money that you made me lose, just because you don't want me to be the boss. I'm okay though, I'm okay though, I'm okay though.
Oh, what I say there?
We have a heart.
Well, unfortunately, I have to tell you, say all good things have to come to an end. Because when we just start talking, I see you and me a reason. We say we go out there, you are my girl, me are your man. Can you come my yard? But nowadays, I realize, say, you don't really respect me, or you're supposed to respect me. Yeah, back and say every little thing me say. So like, it's like, you are JLP and me a PNP, we always have a clash. If me say white, you say brown. If me say up, you say down. If me say straight, you say around. So you want to come with me, and me and me build a place there. So me now go there my place and stress. Not because you give me look S-E-X, you know mean say you control this boy. That can't hold me. Like when I reach my yard, I'm comfortable. You say you're a chef now, you cook some rice apart. Me not really understand it. I tell you something, you say you love shelly rice. And when you cook shelly rice, the rice that we don't cook, you take it half a pot. So I tell you, no, I don't like the shelly rice. Give me the rice when you have like a potty. You turn the rice in a rice porridge. All this sugar and something for throwing it now for left. I left and look at change in there. So you go find your way back home. Right? In a relationship. Because me meet you and me talk to you and get you. So me I go leave you, so me I talk to you and leave you. Me no want I figure give you a bun. Because I'm not that person. Me no want give you a bun. Me
Stick a pin. Stick a pin. Who are going home? You left who? You dey crazy?
Oh, so when you say we go there, we never married, we not say marriage, you know. So we never married. Look where your finger. No, look where your finger?
No, but
alright.
You need to put it there.
It not gonna work. It not gonna work out. The little things them what you have to do, you're not doing them. Right? So Carly said we're over.
We're not over. Me never tell you
tell
to
me
over.
One reason why we're not over.
Because it's a perfect match. I am not going anywhere. You now go out this and get nobody now come here so. You understand me?
When me meet you,
speak Spanish.
You never have no ring in your nose. You put in one. I say, Mama, why you put in one ring in your nose, sir? The next day you put in two. So is something wrong with you? Like you're rebellious. Like you think you're rebel for me. I'm not that type of person you rebel on. You conform to me. Anything
really?
Who are the man in our house?
Let me say something to you now. I'm my body. Me do anything and everything I want in my body. Let me ask you something now. When you never lock your ear to the rasta, me did say anything about it?
You never know me then time there.
Okay.
But you couldn't tell me what to do.
Okay.
Because I'm a man.
Okay, so you mean a woman, you will tell me what to do?
Yes.
Hey.
Because the man must be the head of the house. All.
I'm making mindful.
I am a breadwinner. Right? But all me as a breadwinner, but tonight you not go there for eat none of I dinner. You go leave before that.
Who
before I come back.
Who tell you that?
Your money in there?
I'm not going anywhere.
Hello. Hello.
I am not going anywhere.
Hello. Hello.
I get you?
May I say something to you? I see you in peace. You live in peace.
Me nah go nowhere. Adapt me say and adapt me mean.
Yeah. I go for I new girlfriend and come back later in the day.
What you say?
Listen up.
Where you say a while ago?
I have a new woman when me go. Me see her, me a feature her ends, and I want her to come live here so with me because listen, when I be like place is comfortable. But why should I stay in my place and not comfortable? Look into it, makes sense. If you build your house, listen something to you. If you build your house, right? Would you want a man come take over your place and tell you what to do? Wrong, alright.
No man can tell me that.
Alright. So I'm not even saying more to you. You're smart. You're smart.
Come back in now, no girl later, you see. Come back in this house where me there. We no girl and you see. I'm going to say, yeah, okay, I'll chip my head in that morning.
Chip your head. Look like you lick your head. Oh, I'm getting a mad girl from man. So I tell the girl I run over, take them up now. Black. Pink and black. Tell them first I'm back. Yeah, yes, sir. I'm never want to come here when I have somebody today, right?
But she's still listening.
No, she's not there. She told her I go this morning, man.
Oh, you know so she's gone.
Because she knows I'm serious. Yeah, man. She left the door wide open. Bex, you know? And Bex, she left the door wide open. Alright, so. Oh, you still there?
How old is you? How where you come from?
You tell yourself it's over this man, right?
You tell me that. Me did tell her that?
Listen. The relationship has to come to an end. Because I can't forgive you for what you do. And they tell yourself, we're done, we're going to move on. So, this is my new girlfriend.
This is not the new girlfriend yet, so.
Wait.
This is not the new girlfriend yet, so we are care about. I can't say I care about. Mama, please try now.
Wait. Ma'am, come here.
Come on.
Come here.
Seriously?
No. Me and you. Wait.
Come
Come here.
Okay, harms us be like this.
Yeah, good evening. This is Mr. D. Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm a work with the brethren. Yes. Yeah, man. Me have a little problem. Right? I have somebody trespassing on my property and I need you to come and get her out. Right? Me pay you, no, man. So when I bad boy them come. Because I don't want to go to the law. Right? And I don't want to get my hands dirty. If you not have to broke her up or anything you do her, and if you put up hand, you dash her away. Alright? Because I don't be like place if nobody rule me night. Alright? Yeah, man, I don't know what chefs, man. Alright, do the right thing. Right now, you know, for the outside I wait. Stay, man. Don't move here. Stay.
You have to take her from yard.
Stay, man. Stay. Are you your yard? Are your yard, man? Alright. Are your yard?
So you really got off my son here, so?
No, you want to see what I go on or you want to go and come
I
back?
want to sit down.
Sit down weird. You can't say nothing.
Come, go.
You can't carry nothing.
Alright, come here. Come here.
Get her out.
Come here, sir.
Bitch, you want to carry her in a sofa. Where is she?
Then the right ones will come. Those of them will come back. So no worry yourself.
Alright. I'm not carrying her.
Babe, what is this?
No, you know, so one time when you got yeah. This garbage from the building, take it off and dash it somewhere. Get the garbage out of the
Come in
building.
here.
See that?
You're not coming in here. I don't want you. Come on.
it. Bring her out. I give money in your face. Leave her out. Take her out. Yeah, leave her out. But get her out. Long as you get her out. But that's the garbage out. Come on, baby. But that's the garbage there. Come don't know you come in a man house and like you run out. Or you run out. That's why I know little man enough. I would kick you down, but the money I know. Yeah, sister, what going?
Hi, my brother. How are you?
Well, like I know you had to go to yard, you know. Things really hard still, but they are surviving.
I do understand. So, what is going on down there?
Everything is going on, man. Right now, I teach people how to eat and drink. So, I have set up a little table, you know, a little building, and people link me. I like our food doctor. You want to put on weight, you want to take off weight, you want this, you want that. You know what I mean? Because you remember somebody have a lot of goats one at a time, right?
Yes.
I take up a girl and I put her out and took up our next girl. The one where me put out become a goat thief. In thief, all of the goat them and sell them off. And he get involved in a thief in goat so much. That means after he done sell off thief off my goat and sell them off, him start go up on people, different property and sell off him for them goat too. Right now police I look for her. And the next one through all of my money run out now. The new one I'm put in a yard, yeah. Gone.
I'm so sorry to hear that. Oh my God.
Yeah, but some day I may have a client that come now still. You know what I mean? We can't hear them. Now when I have a sneezing problem, you them a sneeze will come. So anyway, me have something for them too. Me have time. I'm out here. What's the name? Sweet potato skin. Peel off the skin, give man time to go boil that. If you walk, you walk. You know where you go. But anyway, I just show you to see where you're going over there. What more want you do? I want you buy one piece of place over there or rent one piece of place over there. I can get good deal pan them a food item yeah, and send them in a barrel over there, sell them in a store over there. Organic Jamaican food. Alright?
Hey girl, morning. Yeah, you know it's one big let me there sell. No girl. Me stop thief, all the team want if I buy one by one. Hello, good morning. Yes. Officer Fluffy here. From the Bush police station. Yes. I'm here on duty. I see the suspect, Mona. Yes, the original goat thief. Yes, man. Yes, yes. I have everything on her, you know. I have everything. I have her file lock and everything. Yes, yes. Alright. Alright then, go and check out and link me know which part them there. Alright then. Alright. So I'm near to her, I'm watching her right now and I won't let her get out of my sight. Yes. Okay. Kaya lang pang kamot mo. Magpagbuta naman. Police, police, no! I'm all sketch. My perfect somebody for God. Hello?
Hello?
Wagwan.
Well, what I do this time, officer? I'm not thief this, I'm not thief nothing, you know?
I never say a thief anything and I hope you're not thieving anything.
No,
But I have a work for you.
how can I work that? I really work with police, you know?
Listen, you don't have a choice right now. Because guess what? Remember, say me have all things for you, you know. Some of the things that want me not call in a office, you know. You understand what I say? So, you're going to do this. Else I'm going to lock you up. Me personally, I'm going to lock you up.
I like how the police are use man as bait. But which part of them? I come check it, tell me what they go on.
Yeah, well, me there on the lane. Which part you always there?
Oh, so I wait around there for me to lock me up?
No, man, you don't understand. It's bigger than you right now. Come, come,
Alright, I come. Look me, look if you are now. Check me there, check if you are now. Police are you have to come out of the force now, you know. You retire.
Listen to me, so now. I don't have time for joke. You hear me, I tell her? Because I don't know what's wrong with Uno with no thief himself. You know one of your acquaintance named Mona?
What acquaintance?
I don't know because...
Mama, I'm thief by myself.
Listen. Mona. She'll go by one alias name. I can't remember the alias name now, but I will figure it out soon. They walk a thief goat. But I can't catch her, you know. I cannot catch her because I guess that every time I go and see her, the little girl run off. I don't know me can't run already. So guess what? And you have to go help me now. You understand? So you have to go work with the police. If you want to get us for all of your charges them, what we can put for you, you go have to help me to get her.
That's a call me, you know.
I hope you're not record me, you know.
No, sir, I'm not recording.
Let me tell you this now. Listen to what I say now. I know joking.
Yeah.
What you mean by pay? Your pay is for no go jail.
I'm like in the police. Where is it?
I want to catch her. I go and come up with that strategy. Strategy? I said the word?
Strategy.
The word.
Is she a runner?
She's a runner, she's a track
So
star.
tell us when you can run.
I don't know, but you have to go help me. So here what? This morning she that wear one pink blouse or peach blouse with one little short shorts and one black slippers.
How she looks? She have any tattoos?
I don't even see if she have tattoo, but I think she have tattoo. You understand? And you know say the little thieving girl sell the goat them and put on hair up here so because she never used to have hair. So you go help me because we need to
police.
and inform my youth.
Make sure say when we do the job, you clear the files them. I am not no longer any suspect in anything. I'm not any criminal anymore. I used to be, but I need to make a better life for myself.
So here what? You don't worry about your file. What you need to worry about is to get the girl. You get what I say? So she did there right here, so. Can me this right here, so she did there. You understand? Can me over there, so watch her all long, you know. Dep on the phone, I don't know what she talk say. When me run out now, mama run off and she go down, either down the road or up the road. I don't even see where she go, but I need her to look for her. She don't want pink blouse or peach. She brown and her hair catch up in a one. She have on braces and something. So you will find her. See a picture of her, matter of fact. You understand?
Right.
So me need her to get to her and then get back to me. And not fail me, you know?
No, I'm gonna catch her and carry her and give you.
Come, go on. Oh, God.
Hello,
Yes?
this way there.
Me there down the road, what happened? You catch her?
No, if you catch her. Mama, listen, she a run come back which part you there. You understand? So grab her. Stay away there and make sure you grab her. Come right now, I'm tired.
Alright.
Why look lazy? Come now.
Hello. You know you want to catch her. And you have me there run up and down round the place. And coffee, please, nobody let me up. Come. Hey. Come, hold it. Hold her. Hold her. Let it go now.
Come now. You think...
You're under the arrest for thieving goat. You're hungry. You're charged for resisting the officer. Come.
Scotty.
I will deal with you at a later time.
So not... I pray that.
Wagwan. Long time I no see you, where you pan?
Yeah man, I don't see me there man. Same month, and I'm just there do what I have to do. So where the pan do?
Get married, you know. Yeah man, I get married, I invite you to your wedding. You see it?
Me, why I get married, then no good something that man. Congratulations man. Of course man, my father wedding come, remember say oh, long time we are friend fine, a long time we are part and then we go with the family, a little boy and something till now. You see me? I'm happy for you man dog, I'm happy for you, I'm not lie. It's a good move, it's a good look, I'm not tell no lie bro.
Man, finally find a good man, so I go marry and I love her, you know?
It's a good move still now, congratulations again, you see me? Big up yourself, you know say I don't pan with them here girls, so. Now look more, we link, you see it? Yeah man.
Yeah man, look more man.
Yeah man, so all the thing we have to do here now is just put up 2 more of the bad boy them on the wall and just put up the raft for them and then we just deck off it. You understand? But depends on them, because I there all a reason. So it depends. Never next house you deck, you know. But if they not come through properly, because I tell her I say right now, to deck this a place here, give me 3 million or 4 million and the deal so you can eat a food and rest. But it look like them at the price too high when I charge.
Yeah.
So we would have left you party there right there, so. You understand? And make you make some of this deal. Because I can't wait for chicken back money. See right now for me when I go to church. And every week the pastor want money. And I don't know anything I keep from a woman I push up himself. So the demands for her more. So you know how it go differently, so that's that to the work here, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man, that's that. So I have to try to get the right amount of money. I can't do it without the right amount of money. Because you want the money, I want the money. You know no sense to work for cheap. Then you can't do nothing. Because you have a rent to pay, you have everything to do with today. You see it? You know how it go?
Yeah.
You cut one cut off of the place and now, you know. So the money we get, you alright with that?
Yeah. You pay the good, you know.
Man, so I know that's the thing, you know. If you say the pay good, you know, I go up on the road, I see if we can get to 2 red stripes or whatever, we don't know. So I'll go on up. Alright, come down fast, boy. I will get some rain. We could have done more work if the rain never fall. That's too terrible. I said the road look dead in the evening, huh?
Yeah, true. Give that wings, you know. They're always slow.
You don't want to play that. You watch out the party like they're putting up. Yeah, man. So I go on differently though, differently from that.
You know, sir. My woman engaged.
Oh, no engaged?
Yeah, man.
Yo, congratulations, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, I engaged to my wife, you know. 5 years. 5 years I engaged to her, fam. Because you know, couldn't find the money to do the wedding. Right? I'm the one who boasts the wedding. You know what I mean? So, I have to wait till I make up the money. But I good look though. I good look.
I go just work with him here right now. He paid the get mash up rent and something. So, man, could I get one another 100,000 for borrow? Get 100,000 for borrow.
Well, I don't know. You just check your bank already. You check the loan place then.
Certain document you have to have PSP. I'm not doing this.
Yeah,
PSP.
But you know, you know, say I try you and your work, you put in your work. Here now, I will lend you 50, you know. I don't know if I get next 50 from. I lend you 50,000 for you married, make a marry to your woman and live a life. You understand? So, tomorrow, check me tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
I lend you that money, but you want to ramp with my money, you know. I don't ramp with money, you know. Right now, it's look more up on the road and stuff. As somebody me I look for, because I build a house to them, and then I have to look back payment to me and look like I be a dodging thing I go on. Somebody I look out at my 2 eye them. You understand? To see if I can see them. But you what, check me tomorrow for that. Because yeah, simple mathematics, man. Come say me and my woman have to come at the wedding, you know. Because for your woman and my wife, them go church together. Them are sisters in a church. You understand? So me have to do the wedding said you. So now tell my wife say me lend you no money, you know. Because for my wife, love money. Anyway, see money, you want check it. And if you tell him, say, me lend you, he must check you for the money. Don't check it.
You can't check the money because he never burn up for that.
No, you don't know my wife. That's what she stand and tell her she's here. I married twice, and I tell her she's here. So you check all for your wife, for your wife to be. Because you're not married yet, you know. So I say, but it's like how me live a good life, I want to see I live a good life too. So if you say go marry to your woman, I go lend you 50,000, ramp with my money, you know. Yeah, man, know yourself, man. Just check me tomorrow. Boy, yeah, we gonna talk. Alright. Well, do not worry about that. You must say no harm now yet, you know. It's a bar. Not because you're a Christian. People who drink rum in a bar still go to church and put money in an offering box, and the pastor and tell them no, take it back out. It no matter where the money come from. Alright.
That's true, that's true.
But why you and you go take this the same money when me use from the bar work? Right? Go give pastor it. And you say you know why night? Stay night where you go wait till me done we are go home. I work and I run me a drink.
You gone far though.
Yeah man.
You are the good man.
Yeah. I seal it up now.
Well,
You're good though.
yeah man, we good man.
But when you listen now, I don't know about you and the harvest, you know, because I don't know why as your queen to be a harvest to be a rally, as one done is the next one. It's a drain my pocket. Alright. You can't keep on a rally them for yourself. Eh? You can't keep on the harvest for yourself. You're in a church for a wappy kill fill up. And you can't keep on a for yourself. Keep one for yourself.
Worry about that. Me, I get somebody offering money. So Tandy.
Oh, you get offering money and pastor there?
Me and pastor
So
for there.
you and the accountants there?
And me deal with the offering money.
So oh, you take money from me. You take money from half, you take money from me. So we, my original smartly, you know. Like you want to do, alright. You want to do what the other people them do.
Remember, say me have only things to take care of, you know.
Alright. Anyway, that is enough for the day. I just try cut off a little piece here. I try one more attempt on the car. I alone left for do. Then we shall go home. I try make you go and go cook, you know.
And that me just said to you a while ago. Me I go and go cook. So by the time I done I come home, my food we almost done cook.
Alright, yeah, me there go and focus on this. Alright.
Oh God. How will call me now? Oh. What gonna be? Yeah, me alright. Oh, me just there clean up and something. Me not lift up nothing heavy. Yeah, me not go lift up nothing heavy. Yeah, everything good and something. Alright then, me I try do what me afraid to come. And that house me I clean up and me I go throw away some of something them when not needed. Me don't tell us that me not go lift up nothing heavy. Alright. Later. Come here! Come here, the man! Oi!
Eh?
Come here, de.
Now come now.
You can help me carry this go to road. One dash or somebody now and something.
Oh, yeah, give me your money.
Yeah, man, me I give her money.
Alright. Which way you want me for dash you?
Oh, this one.
Alright.
Look at you see rubbish bin.
So, when I want to ask you, this one not good?
No, it not good. That mash up long time.
Alright then, I'll dash you.
Alright.
One pot of flour.
Well, I can't get them balloon
Let me figure out one more. So we have this is bag. One Lasco, 1 pound of flour. I want one sugar.
So I want 2 balloons. Little girl, come here.
No.
How you go? How your mother send off? How you go buy a shop? Shop you go?
Yeah.
Where you go buy?
One balloon.
Where you go buy a shop?
Me gonna buy a shop. Me gonna buy 1 Lasco, 1 pound of flour.
Oh. You, like your mother get too much money, you know, a little bit of money for them there, you know?
Me can't get sugar. Can I get 1 balloon?
When me little, I used to take my mother money buy balloon and tell her I say the money last. You understand? So I'm going to sell her 1 balloon. Alright. Yeah, you love pink?
Me love green.
Alright.
And pink.
So, 1 little green one and 1 pink one. I give you your change. Alright, your change here. You can buy something them now. Here, 100 of the money they go on now. Go on a shop. Walk with the here. Don't tell nobody say I'm selling here. Alright. Hold up and let's the place here.
So, B, how was work today?
I'm bad now, but I get 1 day off.
Oh, I will never go back to work.
Go back. I'll go back Thursday.
Oh.
Yeah, man, no, so I get 1 day off because I'm glad I get 1 day off because cement done. Because work is too hard now.
Oh. So your boss not pay you?
You see me if you come check him back tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow like what time?
I don't know. You just said tomorrow, no time.
Oh.
You work hard, you know? Because I have to load up the board, mix concrete and carry concrete. You see me?
Yeah, man.
So, I know I normal work. Sometimes I have to sit down and the other man tell me say, I can't sit down because I want the work done. But I feel like I will look something else for them.
What I don't like man tell? You can't sit down every time, you know, your money you have got to.
Me a human, me a robot.
Oh.
Robot alone work right through. Me have to take my rest.
But you have to work, you can't sit down.
Me no sit down for long.
That can't go give you money.
Me know. I know like say me sit down for all day and I do nothing.
B, when you work, you don't know, you overwork yourself because when you come in, you have time for me.
Me understand, B.
B, I think so if you go in a videography thing, because we make you make money more and more than the side.
You know, so I show you that, babes. Because money depend, you know.
Yeah, enough money.
Yeah, man, money depend, man, because when we married, that the package we pay for a whole heap of money we pay. Money depend, man, I go do it. So thank you for encourage me.
Yeah, man. So you have nobody who can buy one photography camera?
Me no know, but I go up on the road and find out still.
Yeah, you can do it.
Yeah, man, I go check out down on the pawn shop there too.
Check out how much fee.
The price, you know, it don't really matter the price. I only want to know so I get one. I can make back money and fight.
Yeah.
Because, as I say, money depends on the photograph thing.
No only come with money though.
No, sir. And babes, yeah, I go pan go around 2 hours, yeah? So, in the meantime, I go check up on that. so I can go.
Yeah.
So later.
Yeah.
Cook something nice till me come back.
Yeah, what you want?
Cook anything.
Alright, tin mackerel.
No, sir, cook meat in the fridge.
Oh, chicken back.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yo, I did the killer. I'll go on.
Yeah, go on, we'll have to go.
I'm married and second down. I can't see you. Lucky, you're the fun.
I'm lucky, you know. I have work, man. I work on site, but.
Oh, still at this at work.
My wife a complain, say, boy, I'm not going good. Because every time when I have to go and eat something in my bed, I'm tired.
Yeah,
so, I something different one day, I know. You want to go on? I a videographer, I want to know.
Oh, you want a videographer?
Yes. So, you know, I can get one camera for buy. One video camera.
You know, I think I know a smart way where you have a camera, but I don't know if I sell them, I want to sell it, but if I sell them, I think we can get it for a good price.
Yeah. So we can deal with it?
You can't answer it. So, you have money, you have no money and them something there.
You know,
you have to need money to buy the thing.
I know, hold on. My auntie was offering to send her money come by next week. So, so when the money come, you can't deal with it.
So here me I go do for you, you see me? I go link the person.
Yeah.
And hear what I'm price and hear when you say so. I show it you and make you know what I go on. You see me say just keep your phone close to you as I call you. You can make you know what I go on, you see me?
Yeah, man.
So I go check your person, you see me?
Alright, so.
Yeah, man. The virgin I was so see the camera today, so when you get it, you might call me. Let me wait on.
Oh.
Yeah.
So the since if they are real gold, why them change color?
Okay. You don't know maybe knock off they say no people last time, but you are. I can't go make them clean it and tell me if I really go like
Oh, yeah, man.
give me it. I can't keep them clean them. So, come on, what do you do?
Yeah.
Auntie Maureen. Auntie Maureen. Good day. You know, see, I'm my favorite auntie. Yeah, man. Remember, say, are you me climb over like breadfruit tree them final? Yeah, man. You're the best auntie me have. Nah, I tell you that, me not hesitate if you do nothing for you. So, if you can't make anything go on, you can file for me and my wife. You come over for a better life. You know? Yeah. Yes, auntie. till I can get some work over there and save money, you know. Cause right now, I do a site work, you know, but you know I work out for me because my wife complains when I come in the evening time, I can't do nothing. So, I have a bridge and a source and camera for me. So I go in the photography thing and do some video and take picture and them thing there, you know. Can do funeral, wedding, party, any little thing. I'm not really going out there, you know. But I be a struggle I go through. Right now, I don't even have no food in the house. Everything done. I work hard to get to Jamaica. So, if you can line up and file for me and my wife come over, can live a better. Oh, how this you coming? Oh, my boy. Yo, my G.
Wagwan.
There, man.
Everything good?
Eh.
Where the pan?
But me there on the road there, you know.
Oh, me get the thing, you know. Me get the camera, you know.
Eh.
Yeah, man. So, more if you just me in a fear yard gate there, so me tell her what I go on. You see me?
Alright then.
Alright, so just link me.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Cool.
Me do it on the front.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yes.
My machine this time, you know. Brand new. You see me no matter 3 days one place, you see me, but high quality, high tech thing, you see me? So here one now. 40 me get it for, you see me? But at 100 feet, so I ball it down, slap off 60 or 5, you see me? So I make sure say I hot get something, you see me? People want it, other people want it. So I say I grab it for you, you see me? So you know say an idea you have to go pay me, you understand? Like,
yeah, 10 grand meal still.
10 grand.
Yeah, 10 grand.
Let me show you something about the camera. Yeah. You're not ready for this, eh?
What you talking about?
You're not ready for this charge.
What do you mean not ready for me?
10 grand, me tell you say 100,000 office, I make me ball on 60 or 5 and get it for 40, you come up and tell me say 10 grand.
Alright, you want to go and I go up something more for you. Yes. You know, so I think the virgin and get my camera for me.
So that's about how much fee?
You know, so I give me 10 grand and I go and take it.
Yeah, that good now.
Yeah, man. Hey, me love this.
Me too.
Me love just push me. You see, because I remember saying, you know, you take me up on the roadside, a big people. And you push me if you go look side work and I get it. And now, you tell me say hard and now I'm going to photograph a business. And you push me towards it. So, I can go do. Yeah, man.
So you know you pay?
Yeah, I get it to them, man.
Oh. You can go collect your pay money?
Yeah, that go do.
Oh.
Yeah, man, you have to forward the 40, man, you see me?
So, let me go and pay you. I get the rest of money.
Let me get the money by later.
Yeah, man, I get the money by later, man.
No shot, you see me?
Yeah,
so
man.
If you have put something extra on it, you can do it, but go on do
I
it.
said, well, I price you telling me again.
Yeah, man, it's expensive than that too, you know, a high tech, you know?
Yes. So just sit down, sir, look at that case.
Okay.
Yes, how do you?
Good.
Yes, better camera, you know.
For how much money? For how much?
Beautiful, I look a reasonable price still, you know.
And this a dirty?
No, man, I just clean up.
Oh.
Soap in there.
No, man, go and there do.
Oh. I'll take 2 pictures.
Okay.
Alright. Well, take off your seatbelt. Oh, look.
You look good, man.
Alright.
What were you wearing there?
You know, say, you don't have to you clean the same way, you know.
When you go feed?
I go check him the idea.
What time?
The next half hour or so.
Okay.
We start make some money.
Mm-hmm.
You remember when we got married?
Yeah.
People in charge of arm and a leg.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna try and make back with money that we spend.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Nice camera, you know?
What you look dirty though?
Yeah, clean first, let me say. Get some alcohol and clean it. Get some alcohol and clean it. So, open up, man. Just sit down, sir. You're not happy to see me?
Yeah. Let me see camera.
You ever see it before?
But you look good. Come in the door.
I'm going to teach you how to use it, you know.
How you use?
I'm going to teach you how to use it. You just buy, I don't know full specs about it. But I'm going to figure it out. It's a button that you know what it's a button doing. But I'm going to figure it out.
I'm mash up.
Mash up, eh? When sitting mash up, you crush up. Just like a cleaning you want and look brand new. I make you look brand new. Breakfast good, you know?
Yeah, man, and you make it, man, you feel good.
But guess what? You put too much salt in it.
Oh, sorry about that, baby.
So, when I cook,
Yeah.
you have to take your time with the salt. How we do? You just turn it, if I can salt over my pattern, no, that's not the way you do it.
But you me and the hurry, man.
No, man, I have to take your time when I do cooking. And you have to just tip salt now a spoon.
Yeah.
Liquor and so you put salt.
And then taste.
Your taste. Yes, so when you get like a taste now, you know it's that good.
Yeah.
Salt no good for use. Too much salt no good for use.
Make it special.
So like that. So me going go up on the road, you know, be.
Alright then, safe journey.
Yeah, man.
Can I buy something from you?
Yeah, man, what you want?
Anything.
Alright. Babes, you know, see me like your camera.
You know, see me do you see it go? Yeah, no, so can I buy something from you?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Wanna take long?
Yeah.
Shaman, burn it down. Shaman.
You know there, you know?
Oh, not the boat.
No.
I'm going to go pump to work this morning. Now where party gone?
You go up on the road to do all you could walk.
What kind of work you do? You know, I'm feel finish up our house.
I'm gonna do a videographer.
You're my videographer?
Yeah.
Where you get the idea from now, God?
Work too much at site.
Oh, the site work?
Yeah, too much.
Not too much? Ah, boy. Because piece of work we get in, I'm saying I can link him so yo, him can mash up some work in the day. Yeah. Anyway, I will get one different labourer. But you're good though?
Yeah, I'm there, man. I got a bit of vibe.
Bit of vibes. You want to work?
Yes.
You can't manage it. You can work your mash up. Like to kind of boy.
You see the button here? Can select it on black and white.
Yeah. Oh, anyways, me, you know, see your friend come look for you today.
Which one of them?
Rasta.
Eh?
Where you him up on side.
Oh, alright, you are going. I go check him. I go check him.
Yeah.
Soon come.
Yeah.
Bossy, what go on?
Yeah, man.
Hell boy, they are going to work. Forward can link you today. Tonight earlier. Then you say you turn photographer. And we are work for you. A photographer you turn for real?
Yeah, man, because more money depending on it more easier.
Alright, well, for easy work, you look, then you go and go do photography. I'm there go and put in the work because I have this room I finish and two other room on the sun. So I have to do it. Me nah no camera. Me can't go run by taxi. So I'm a mason. So I do what I have to do. But here now, differently. Everything good with you?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you pay money?
Yeah, I tell you.
Alright, so for
money
the
depending.
For the money depending, do your work and make a living. Remember say when you get married, what do you do? 150 grand put on for me, so let me get it by a certain time then.
I'll get it, man.
Yeah, man. So don't worry yourself then. Go and do what you do, just so me get my money. Because I have to go put in some work, I have some things to deal with. Right? Yeah, man. So, whenever I know say a photography you want to, I think you don't want to catch a trade. You think you don't buy yourself one shovel and try catch a mason.
No, sir, they may work too hard.
Well, I said the world, Billy, world, and not easy.
I work too hard, and when I go into film, man, I can't do nothing because I'm tired.
Alright. Do what you have to do.
Yeah, man.
So that means come page you for because we have some work for you. So I get one different look second deal with you. Know yourself?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I will probably look at you to one way by work. Alright.
Because your machine and mash up your clothes. You know, I say today rent due on a 2 months, we not paying a rent.
Landlord good, you know. The rent good, man. My auntie send the money come, so I get the information from my phone, so I go down a MoneyGram go collect it now.
Alright then.
So, later.
Yeah.
Makai!
Oi!
Come here, man.
What ya?
You are there now, sir. I want to cement them now. What go on, sir? I don't see you from when. Everything good?
Yeah, man.
But here what go on now. Everything not good for my side, you know, because me say, from I check it a long time, they link me back. But show you 100 say, one at the time them I go call. Pan you for the money back when I lend you for do the wedding. Right? Because you did that work with me at the time, we did make some money. So I show you 100 say. You say you want the 50 because your woman a ming man in her ears and she want to get married before she give you nothing. And you want, you know, you want get into it, right? So I lend you 50,000. Still they pay you the same way. I may never take the 50,000 back from you, right? So you have 50,000 for me. So I go need it. Emergency now, I want it. You understand? You see me have your work? You want to do fancy work and I do photography. The woman say last time, I see your wife that she tell me say that you do. So no matter about what you want to do, my money reach me. Else, we have to go through the law way, right? You understand me I say to you?
You can't do more time.
No, listen up, me any time now work. A long time you have the money. If I look how long you're married. From them time there for you married until well much months pass. You know things if you give back the person 50,000 of boy money, you know. But anyway, just line up money for me to get in at the day, yeah? Because I don't really come me have one lawyer there. He just want money. And if you can't go to court now, you have to go pay the lawyer fee too. You know what I'm saying? Because I go sue you and the lawyer go want fee. You know, come out of my money.
You go sue me if me can't find 50,000 I figure back.
Yeah, me go sue you. A business.
How me go find money for pay when you sue me?
Yeah, when me sue you, your family ain't figure it out, anybody figure it out. Because of business. You understand business?
Just make up more time.
No man, me I tell you. Me tell you.
Me go pay you back now.
Listen up. 1 year pass. If me check in a month. Cause I found how much cause I say 10 months is almost 1 year in my book. 10 months. So when I ask you and I say if you lend somebody their money 10 months, when you say about get back the money in a 1 month time, you get too much time already. So listen me. See they start do different work, you know. I'm more than 2 months since you're there, you know. You know, say I work better than this.
But you not get no.
You not get no. That's for your business. Can't you tell you if you're turf and when? I want to look second or look like you more interested more than you know, I do it now. So you know. Me know I get the sorry for argument. Me sorry for you and Glenn the money. No, you sorry for me now and give back my money because I need my money. You understand?
Me I get the money again.
Alright, so do that. Me no will have to talk much about it. Right? Because my woman a Christian, you know. Right? My woman a Christian. And she a funeral landlord. You understand? So me get my money. You understand? A funeral landlord, you know. I say my woman a funeral landlord. So we connected within the same surrounding. So we don't need to bag and forth in a war and violence. You understand? And cussing and law and then we're there. Because watch out. You live and what the if woman will come in and me she and murmur say, you no owe him rent. 1 month pass, I got 2 months. So that's my wife, you know deal with, so you know. But my wife different. When I say I want my money, my wife won't carry no court, you know, but me, I carry a court. Because I never lie, I want to make a piece of money from what they might show me. Say, don't case me. I'm going to tell them, I perk up one case here, no, I lie. I perk up one case. One sure case. So, let me get money. Else I want last one. And they go cost, okay, still have to pay me the 50. And the judge will charge you one next money to differently, you know. You know the law work, right? When you go court us, the money making, you know. You understand? So also the money.
You know if I make you reach this, I make you get the money.
Alright, just do it, man. Because I want to buy some black to build up 100% of myself. I can't work in it, so that a part of money to buy my black, them and my cement. You hear? I lend the money really not. Just give me money back in our really not. Alright, sir? I want to work for what you don't over. But I don't want to work on a stress. Every time, because watch out. You know, I don't work with no second. And me I shovel up something myself. Because I have to make you work. Alright?
I'm like a thief, I'm like a thief. I want to go thief. You have to wait on the time. Well, man.
Sister Makai, come here, man.
Alright. Yes, I know.
You know, say I'm ready to come for do.
You know, say, my boyfriend just gone and MoneyGram go collect some money.
Look here. Not because me go see him church. You feel who me money, me red money. You make me all a chat foolish. Me need me money past 2 months now. Me need me money past 2 months. Not because me and you go to the same church, sister. Me need me red money. Come on, me need me red money. A full time if you get me money.
You probably soon come still. Me don't know what time I'm going to come back, but they know saying you soon come. So you have to wait little or circle back.
Listen to me. Just when time me red money for pay in time. Me not give you next chance again. It passed 2 months. 2 months, you know. I'll make sure so when we come back, me get my money.
if you chop wall and that. And some man run joke with man thing. Yeah, burn it down, what go on? Yeah man, good while I'm not shout to me liar. But yeah, me liar, you know, me have to keep in touch, man. Yeah man, but hear me I say now, there's a problem arising now, you know. Because me lend when I want you to work for me, want 50,000. In there I get married, so me lend him 50,000. Months pass, he no want repair. Now he's saying tap work for me and gonna do bigger work, and months pass again, he still not pay my money, you know. So I know it's a sure win case, you know. Somebody want to sue him for more than the 50 so you can get your money out of it and me get mine out of it. Right? Yeah man, me know it's a sure win case and something there. Me have to come in and link you with the details and I just shout you because I'm up on the work and just up on my mind and I know say yo, you're the right liar for that case here, you know. Yeah man. By later I'll check you. By later I'm done working at the day, yeah. Maybe child left off of the work early. Enough that means I can't call link you. Yeah man, cause see that I'm about 3 o'clock and I go to 4. So by next half an hour. And then I reach 4 or 5 o'clock, man. Alright? Enough respect, man. Ah. Some people don't understand themselves.
Yes.
Yes. There.
Money drop. I think it's money. But when I go up on the way, I meet up boss, buck up and boss.
I see.
But I'm telling me, say, you want the money, you know. When you lend me, you know, you want the 50,000 when you lend me. Right now, I have to decide what to do. If I pay rent or pay him, because right now, I quote you want to pay me.
And the woman come.
I know say that I'm more money.
The woman come today for your rent.
Them like how your church sister, you can't talk to her, man.
I talk to him and him a cuss about he want him rent and he not come back.
Talk to her again, man.
Pay your boss, now about your landlord, me and her code.
Alright, yeah. Because I know I'm going to quote you. There's some more money that I know, say. Nothing not to go on for you. Alright. I go pay me, yeah?
Yeah.
Bossy.
What?
Yeah, man. You think I can't come again because...
Yo, me say you're lucky, you know. Me just talked to my lawyer a while ago and he love the case, you know, but if you carry the money come over, call him back and cancel.
Yeah, man, because me know
we could have got court, man, because I got Virgin still all in the
Then you really want to get Virgin got court?
Yes, because Virgin have to learn. When you borrow people money, you give them back their money. Because loan is a loan.
I must say patience is the key, you know.
No, listen now. This is not hospital business about patient. Listen. Some people when they borrow, when they owe money, they put up money, you pitch up on the internet and say pay my money. I don't have time for that. Straight last out. But give me money. You sure it's a 50 this year?
A 50, man.
Oh, it's $5,000 them. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Ah. Alright.
Yeah, man. And I won 50,000
yeah, man, pocket. Listen up.
But is it true me know you can make a quote?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
That's the right thing.
That's a principle. You pay people their money.
Yeah, but
Alright.
Me couldn't pay at the time.
Listen now. What me I say though? Listen me I say. When I lend you that money if you no do no wedding, me have a whole heap of things to do with my money, you know. You thinking about things me have to do with my money? But because me say important, we sacrifice and lend you. So when you come to my time, pay back my money, sacrifice and get my money. Because me ain't go quote a robot, you know. Because that me do what I really want to do. But anyway, me go call back a lawyer. You're good, man. Go and do your thing.
Alright.
Alright, photographer. On the box. Only when it's serious, you get serious. I'm gonna go learn. Cause I'm like a teacher. I have to teach you something. Yeah, blessed. I'm me again, man. You are going now. You know, said the youth just come pay me the money. Yeah. Because I see him and show him the 100, you know. So a court we are going before I call you know. So it look like you say court in go for the money. Kind just adapt to the Jamaican people some my time. Them hard paying. You deal with them good, them take you for idiot. Right? So me get my money now. So what am I gonna do? I have to buy a drink same way. Yeah man. So when me I pass through, I left a money make a drink a juice. But we now bother get for go a court because I didn't pay the money. Alright? But sorry that case go come up, man. Because you know Jamaica said there's always a case. Somebody want to catch a case. You understand? So something will come up. But this is when you're gone. Alright, blessed. Alright.
Yo.
Take care of that, you know. The pay boss.
Oh.
So, you the panel now? Just sit down, son.
Yeah.
Mr. Mackay.
Oi.
You know where me come from now?
You rent?
God, I know.
You know where me come from now, must me rent?
Come in, with sister.
What do you mean by come in?
Come in, come sit down.
When me come, we should send money me again. Come in the last no.
Go over there to make my sister sit down.
You know if you feel like you sit down, but me don't sit down. Set your backside good. Where I say now?
What me come?
Me money me come for now. Me no long chatting, so me money me come for.
What make you wear them as yeah?
What do you mean? What make me wear them as? You know, see me when we come in the morning.
But anyways, me not have no money today.
What do you mean you don't have no money today?
Me not have none.
Look here, tap play with me.
Go and send a man, just give me next 3 months.
Next 3 months?
Yeah.
So that mean you want me 2 months or that mean 5 months? More me money. Not because. Look here, we are sister by God choice. We is not a sister by blood. Me need me money today or else you come out of my place and go on. Me need me money, come. See your man, they say, where him there for? Good for nothing.
Quarrel, we are going to leave your place.
No bother with the quarrel. No bother with the quarrel. Matter of fact, you want me 2 months. Me I give you 2 hours to pack up and leave my place. 2 hours me I give you. And you, no bother mumble around there, think me not hear you. You don't have no money to pay nobody but around there talk.
Hello, miss.
But look at work. Me need me money. 2 hours me I go to leave my place. Alright.
What do you tell me say, you're a girl, a friend? I know good.
I say you girl, you know.
You
She
know,
love money too much. Money.
I saw your sister in behave.
I'm money classy.
Money crazy. No, I make money I get to them. Money is the root of all evil. Look, see them. Now go up on the front. Go see if I can get one of them board house for rent. Cheaper than that, so. A concrete house costs a whole heap of money. So we get one board house, can pay around $2 grand a month. That no reasonable.
That good man. Cause you so Do Papa for kind of house this?
But landlord still a charge you so much money.
That's fine.
Boy, they love their money. Anyway, now go up on the front, yeah?
Yeah.
Go see if me get to the house.
Yeah, man.
Quick and I'll come back. Pass and see that house. Foreign to where look like somebody get it.
Yeah, I know.
So we have to go check. Oh, no, sir. Go check that. It's one big white house. Cream color house. So.
I wonder if I
check
can get
out. I'll check out it. Nice house, Tina. Who forget it? Hey, yeah man, I take your number. 1876. Oh, that's 6 or 8?
I think I
8. Alright. Save. I call a number later. Hello? Yes. I'm calling about the house that I see for rent. Yeah. So, how much a month? $50,000? Alright, have a nice day. B? But I won't about house. This too expensive.
That'd be expensive house we see.
Man, better look when I bought house then.
Yeah, man.
Go. Watch water, man, I bucket foot in the water.
Because it's a place you rent.
Yeah, man. Come in, I'm going to check you out.
We reach it.
Come here 1 minute then.
1 minute.
No, not mercy.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, you know, so I was my friend. Somebody told me about the house.
You know, so me I rent this room I do.
Much a month?
Much a month?
Yeah.
10 grand.
Alright, that good man. We work with it. That good day. So we can move in.
And you can move it. Alright, now you can move in. If you don't have the money, just stay the money in my hand.
Yeah, man. A 5,000 bills.
Alright. Come show you in a place. Yeah, as you know, see, in a while you go clean up or something. Yeah. Up there so too. Yeah, we have to go get somebody to fix up this, or you can get somebody to fix up this, and then something there. So where's about the place?
That's not a problem, man.
Okay. So mom, where's about the place, mom? No problem. Okay.
I'll go for my things and my file.
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
Alright.
Come in, B.
The same time now come back, and if you do a stop on a clip here.
Alright. We have a one house now, no landlord come to work, rent this and rent that.
I want to go to the house.
Lift up, lift up.
No, they're not. No, some of people after the ice, you know.
You do want refix?
Ice, you know, ice, man, inches them drop. Tell me, a roller shower. Come in.
Come in. Go on.
Yeah. Going down the camera, you know?
Oh, so no good on something?
Yeah, man.
How we get the camera from?
I've been back from Bridging.
Oh, you buy a fire Bridging?
Yeah, man. I have 40 grand feet, you know?
So you say 10 grand? No, sir. That's not good. I clean up in a place and something and me tell my friends to take it that she garbage.
Wait, so you mean no good? Me no see nothing wrong with it.
It no good. If it did good, why would I tell him for that show? When me did I clean up? Huh? You can't buy nothing for any people around this place, yeah.
So, babes, scam, my brother scam me, you know?
Yeah. You can't buy nothing, them a scam artists. You hear me say? Then we are say, them a sell you something well look like it good and it no good. So you
see, me look on it, I see nothing wrong with it because you know mash up now, nothing, me see nothing papa fight.
It no good.
Hey, that brother, that boy, if give me back my 40,000, you know?
So you say 10,000.
Make it a long story.
You're gonna spend 40,000 pound that. Just remember say, me go want me rent next month.
You rent alright, man.
Alright. Me just make sure you have me rent. That's it.
Me go back to the boy for my money. Come back my money. Me did my other show. Me I can't go put it in and say,
later.
give me back my money.
And I'm not sent how much. Now make your husband or your boyfriend make it buy no car, nobody for the road. You hear me, ma? You hear? Alright,
let me see boy scam me. Like you look on the camera, you don't look like you good.
I'm not good for you.
Yeah. Me so come here, I say me find a boy, come and forgive me back money in idea, you know. Again. Yo, my youth. Yo, get up, man. My youth. Mrs. Ayo, get up, man. What kind of style are my youth? Who style, yo? How can I come and take up with a garbage for us? Who take up garbage? Me new bank camera, me take up with a garbage. You go rent me your house. Who rent your house? You know if you know that, you go rent me house. Go check me today. And see me the camera, me clean on the camera. And she asked me when me get the camera from, I tell me say, I see that she camera. I want back camera, you know what I'm saying? You go take the camera from me and look on the camera. And say, I'm a fair one. You come and start the bar and start me and start it. What's on now? You want to give me back my money? I violate thing in the pan. I know violating, you know. You give me back my money. More about my money. What's on man? More about my money, you. New brand camera, me give you charge. New brand camera away. I know me. And the girl look on the camera and say, I fear one. I remember saying, somebody me so as if I'm you so as if I'm garbage heap. Girl, come style me. Watch out now.
Remember me tell you.
That's time, man, brother.
You know, watch out, man. Relax. Watch out, Biggs. Easy. Back away.
Man, come like you want me give you a black in the head.
Watch out now. You see, yes, so. I feel me. And over there, so I tell you, so I need to back up, back away and take away. So watch out.
May I get the money, you know?
Alright.
May I get the money?
Alright. I chop. Oh, this is my one.
Hey! Acha, I'm good, girl.
Me there.
You don't sit down so.
Girl, in our house hot, so I have to come out and get some cold breeze.
You say what my walk good and me see him come over here.
Oh, so how church and something?
Church alright. Church alright.
Okay.
Me see say rent out the place though.
Yeah, man, me rent out it to somebody. One couple them.
You can't say me know the two of them. You better mind what you do with them because they don't like pay money. And she, the girl, I'm a church sister, you know.
What you mean? Me love my money, you know, because me have to take my money buy my baby clothes.
The girl no like that even man. They no like pay money. So you better watch yourself with the two of them one day. You hear me I tell you? Okay, because they will scam me, I run away. The sister they not even have nothing. For me place me the rent them run so you know. And if can't pay me money so me run them out.
Well, them have, if they even hold me an inch, they have to find me money give me. Cause me love money bad. Yes, like how me a breeder now. Hey, it buster now. So they have to find my money. Me no play with money, you know.
Play with money. Look for you. Where you go breed? Money make you breed. But anyways, me go on the road. Me check you tomorrow.
Yes, money make me breed. So how you no breed it and you love money too? Said so.
Don't
me
worry
love
yourself.
Money. Wait, said so me love money. You love money too.
Sucky. Big up yourself. What going on? Afternoon. Your husband not there?
No.
Oh, you know say I want you to pray for me because from our day I be a bad luck, like I don't know my sad, so I just want you to pray for me. Cause you see me start come to church last week Sunday. The ceremony was wonderful, so I just want you to pray for me. Can you pray for me?
Well, we can't pray no.
Yeah, sister man, your church, you have to pray. Only go prayer, nothing too big. You see me? Alright, so you pray for me?
Yeah.
Alright then, thank you. Thanks, yeah. I like you do you with the place. Are you with the place, so?
Yeah.
Okay, alright then, so. I don't know about praying, I'm for the ball my hand?
Yes, like yeah.
Alright then.
Father God bless this boy. In the name of Jesus, amen.
Amen. Thank you very much. I pray I feel so much. So I'm going to take me leave, yeah? Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.
Hey boy, where are you in the house?
Eh?
Where are you in the house?
Oh, a little prayer I come from for your wife. Make sure pray for me. Repent.
My wife can't pray for people like you.
No worries, she pray for me.
People like you don't deserve prayer.
Alright, big up yourself.
B.
Eh?
What that boy there do?
I come pray for me now.
Pray for you?
Yeah.
How you pray for him?
Him come pray for me.
When I not tell you, know. Cause him tell me say he come for you pray for him and then you know what tell me say you him pray for you. But wait there. Are we on him the in though? What can the man do pan the ground?
Well, I don't know.
Well, you don't know, me don't know, you know. What kind of man do a sex, not sex?
No.
Oh, y'all in my face, not? Boy, I really that, you know. I don't feel like. Hello? 119, police. Yes, I have a very important emergency. I just passed on domestic abuse. Yeah, one man over there killing him on the lick. Yes, she ball out. Help. No, I couldn't go help him because I never, you know, just go help her. Right out an umbrella on the front parish party green van there, right at the yard, go lock him up, not ask him no question, nobody have beat, killing him on the lick. Alright. Yeah, officer. Boy, I really that to do.
Yo! Why I don't know what I go on the yard here? I tell you, rough man. I'm there, I don't feel like I do no work today. I just go through and look at time, you know, because some of the time you think you could handle more, but I just life itself. Yeah, one of my virgin now. I used to work and Senganton photographer, right? And I don't know if a hard life or whatever. Him killing woman and killing himself. You know what I mean? So this is a sad story. And he have family and foreign them, I don't know why they never filed for him. But I guess it's a problem that family no want to help family. Because you also talk about him family them, you know what I mean, when you so up and down with them, and everybody gone and foreign and him alone left here. So he married to a little chick. 2 of me here, because then go in the house go see condom paper ground. You know what I mean? So I just say there. You know what I mean? I don't know what take place, but then say boy he kill her and kill himself. That's one of them things there. Sad story though. Me say then go do one rat funeral for him and you know. No normal funeral, you know, package. The package with them when they say they want like 3 million, 4 million. And when the man they alive and a box around with his wife and something. They no help him none at all. I don't understand family. But what can we do? And you me attack, and you know say your family could give me a strength. I don't attack you, man. Calm down, auntie. Nah, man, I don't curse you. No, later. Cause you 21 difference here now. Because yeah, you know say you just like the same people them same way. So why difference me I tell you? You know if it get offensive. If the truth is the truth, what? What have you done? You can't curse me, no me a reason now you get vexed, upset to me say family are this and family that. So you know the same thing too? Look how long you travel all over the place. You have none of your sister them or your brother. When me a reason man, if it pick up topic and it reflect to you too, me no want you give me no attitude. Because me a reason, it's a house you want me sort out for you, me a reason about what go on. And me no want you get on my wrong side. Because me and your family, because me tell you about your parts to make you up, you know. You hear me I say? Because me I tell you how family deal with family and you know so you feel guilty, you could not reflect on me. Because me not beg you nothing. You know what later? Me can't talk to you now. Me I go through one rough time and now my head hot. You hear me? Alright, burn it down. I give thanks to life when you're wrong. Yeah, I'm talking to the man in the mirror. So yo, you have to do better, you know. Jamaica go fight, you know, boy. Jamaica is a place like this where you have to fight the wickedest war to get through. So many time out of effort you put in your youth. You might sick out yourself, but be strong. You know what I mean? And trust the process. And go through. Message to the world, man. You see, as a Jamaican, you know some things 10 times harder here than anywhere else in the world. To some extent, because you have places harder than yes, but still. But she say Jamaica is in the Caribbean part, it is a treasure. You know what I mean? It's very sad when you want Jamaica to work very hard and then you don't really see what you work for. Yeah man, I seen plenty people in them upper age cry. But anyway, to get moving up to the level party need for there, we are trying. And we are doing it. And I work on the seats, so we are putting the effort and enough love and respect for our support from that time to this time. You know what I mean? It's a long list of people keep us going from that time to this time. Damien, big up yourself, Empress G, Tatsan Franco, supporter. You know? When Jews, you know what I mean? There's a lot more name. Cool Breeze, you know what I mean? Stacian, you know what I mean? Different producers for different area, you know what I mean? From Philadelphia, where people same way, you know what I mean? So, when you're there, so, and I put in the work, you know, we realize, say, we have to go find a different way. So we will come with some big movie, you know, and look out for them. Big movie, you now go show up on YouTube, but you will see the trailer. You go try meeting demands because we have to go use it to step to the next level. So the movie they go take a longer time to shoot, everything will go through carefully. Who if you do editing, go do the editing. Who if you do the writing, go do the writing. Who if you do the any part type, it's not going to be a one man to do it. It's going to be something different. So we're going to look forward for that. Then we're going to figure out what we're going to do next. You know what I mean? Because we can't go somewhere. Because we can't just there from start level and move forward. You know what I mean? So we just say this to say that. We know the fight we have faced. And the next one is see it out there and I say, right. Because we get some fighters some places and some people say they know and then no way. Be attacking bad things against the movements of what we're trying to do. And when you find out who are attacking, it's the same Jamaican attack against an ex-Jamaican. Some don't know if it's an ingrown something where Jamaican always against Jamaican. And when Jamaican do good, the same Jamaican where they attack against you, proud, or you live with yourself. You know what I mean? Take the time out to say, big up all of the people them who put them work forward and then reap the benefit. It's a motivation to push forward. If you continue to do it, even when nothing now one, we still do it. You understand? So we are using the music, the dancehall music now as a guidance and stepping stone region to say watch out. You know what I mean? Put in the work. You know what I mean? When I did them, you can become the king of movie. Like our cartel is the king of dancehall. You know what I mean? So we are fight. We are fight the war and what it take. But it's a different platform still. Because you know it's a movie in Jamaica. In the party for the yet. You know what I mean? So you know have the rush towards so much. You know what I mean? And when the rush come, once the people go and take it all for themselves. If we the people them who started on the hungry days and do it, kind of find through the area, them go come and take everything and go with it, man. Because human being in Jamaica is like that. They just take things. The rich take things. They don't build the poor. Because they don't want the poor to be rich. You know what I mean? But the poor is the richest and they unite. And when poor people unite, before they unite, they start fight. And them things that I don't like. Alright. The talk from day and no night. Anyway, we go talk. Because there's a lot of things to do. And me have 2 more movies I shoot and I said to at a time. Because some do it with the hard working youth, you know. We work hard, very hard. We just want to see the thing pay off. You know what I mean? So I haven't taken a day off yet. So anyway, put it down to the ground. You don't watch a movie that while ago. Look out for the next one. We soon build up this channel line, but we have some things where me look for somebody to train or to edit. But me just don't want to choose anybody. You know what I mean? Because there's a lot of things going on. And everything good with the talk. Yeah man. Jamaica is the land I love, right? And when I tell you say Jamaica is not a bad place, people might think say I'm just making up stories. But don't take a look, yeah. These things right here, so look funny, one on a banana, 1 chocho, 2 onion, 4 carrot, 2 plantain, sweet potato, 2 sweet potato, 1 pound of yam, maybe 2 pound of Irish or about a pound of Irish, 1 pound and a half or 2 pound of this. But them look at items here in Jamaica, gone over $5,000 or $6,000. Right? Put the coconut pan here. I want next big old money again, that gone again, you know. You understand? So me show you say life in Jamaica is really rough and tough. You know what I mean? So when people talk, some people think say it's joke. This country is a country where sufferation lives, and it should never be that way there. None at all, because this island is too blessed. You know what I mean? This island is too blessed for all of what's going on now. Yes, so just saying this to say that they're giving us what they want to give. Not the real life for real Jamaican. This ain't it. Because if this is what the plan is, they are 40 years now and see what go on. I don't like it. This is the land of paradise. Right? Life should have nice, yeah. People from here should have know, yeah. You know what I mean? You don't know here because cost of living is too high. And they know. They know cost of living is high. And they see. But is it high for them? No. No matter how things raise, it doesn't raise for them. So they will never know how you feel to change stuff. You know what I mean? So, as you try to become somebody in this island, somebody take you down. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So, we're there, we work every day. Today's a day and we're there shoot. Right? Baba max up some food there. You know what I mean? So, we're there cook some food today, same way. But we just buy some things and say, we don't want to highlight the people that make them see what I want. Really, I know the change need to come. I don't know when it's going to come, but one day, we want a real Jamaica. Not this one that they pretend to be them a live good. It's okay for them. You know what I mean? I know that we're talking, but we're talking hard. You know what I mean? So, we're there going to hold it off on the Sunday still, because we say we're not take no day off until the pay off. We're going to try to do the best we can do from that time till this time. And it take what it take and go do what it do. Burn it down to the ground. So we're there. Just enjoy the movie we just watch a while ago. Hope you enjoy that one day. But enjoy the next one you go watch in idea. Because I hope movie on the channel we're going to see it. You know, the channel full of movie right now. So you can go over there and watch what heap of things did they feel no watch right now.